Welcome, everyone, to this session on mastering GitHub for team collaboration. In this tutorial, we'll explore how GitHub simplifies teamwork, prevents code conflicts, and keeps track of all project changes. Whether you're new to GitHub or looking to refine your skills, this guide will make collaboration easy and efficient. Let's get started. Imagine you and your team are working on a project. Without GitHub, you might be emailing files back and forth, leading to confusion, lost work, or accidentally overwriting someone else's changes. GitHub solves these problems by allowing multiple developers to collaborate without losing track of updates. Unlike shared folders or emails, GitHub ensures that multiple developers can work on the same project without overwriting each other's work. Using branches, each team member can work on a feature separately and merge changes safely. Every edit, addition, or deletion is recorded in GitHub. Developers can see who made changes, when, and why. If something breaks, you can roll back to a previous version instead of manually fixing the problem. With GitHub, team members can review each other's code before merging using pull requests. It also helps organize work with GitHub issues and project boards, allowing teams to assign tasks and track progress easily. Let's look at an example. Imagine a software team developing a mobile app. Each developer is working on the same file, app.py. They email their updates to the project manager. The manager now has 3 different versions of app.py and has no idea which one is the latest. This is the chaos method, confusing, inefficient, and risky. GitHub prevents these issues by keeping a centralized repository where all team members contribute. Instead of overwriting files, GitHub merges changes safely. Every edit has a history, and conflicts are flagged automatically so they can be resolved before merging. Now that we understand the benefits of GitHub, let's set it up. The best part? We'll do it without using any complex terminal commands. Before using GitHub, you need an account to store and manage your code online. The sign-up process is simple. Go to github.com and click Sign Up in the top right corner. Enter your username, email, and password. Verify your email and log in. Using GitHub Desktop makes working with GitHub much easier by allowing you to manage repositories with buttons instead of command line commands. This is perfect for beginners. Visit desktop.github.com. Click Download for Windows or macOS. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Once installed, log in with your GitHub account. A repository, repo, is like a project folder that contains your code, files, and history. Let's create one. Go to github.com and log in. Click the plus icon in the top right and select New Repository. Enter a repository name, e.g., My First Project. Add an optional description. Choose whether the repository should be public, anyone can see it, or private, only invited collaborators can access it. Check the box for Add a README file, so the repository isn't empty. Click Create Repository. Congratulations! You now understand how to use GitHub to collaborate efficiently in a team. We covered why GitHub is important, how it prevents code conflicts, and how to set up your first repository.